So I had a friend ask about male and female flowers, so I thought, well, might be a good time, because I'm coming out here to take pictures to show haul, might be a good time to do a video in case anyone else is interested. So this is a male flower. So you can see it has no fruit on its stem, so it will never produce a fruit. It does, however, contain the necessary things to pollinate the female flowers, and that's what this is right here. This is a female flower. You can see it already has the baby fruit. You know, you can see he has a smaller one. It might be green, but you can see it has a bulge. Now, zucchinis can be a little trickier because it's all the same shape. So for those, see if I can get a good view for you here. These are female. See how it's thicker stem? And down here, you can see a male with a thinner stem. So that's what you're looking for. It's actually the little fruit that will be pollinated and create a big fruit. I'll try to get some pictures of the other kinds of squash I have growing. Well, actually right here's the white patty pan. So this will be all the summer squash I'm growing this year except the 8-ball zucchini. And you can see on him, that's the female, because it has a little patty pan. That's a female, and that's a male, because it has nothing on the stem.